The power of siblings' unity. An unbreakable bond. Stronger than any force.
Eat up, Sasha. It's just enough for your tummy. Sasha was the smallest. She thought small plates meant small love.
Okay, Mom. Yeah.
Days passed. Her siblings were a team. Sasha felt like a ghost in her own home.
You know why you're different, Sasha? You're adopted. That's why Mom gives us the big plates.
For days, she cried until her eyes were heavy. But in the silence of night, her mother's heart stayed by her side.
I'm back, my three little treasures.
Papa, why didn't you tell me? Am I adopted?
Oh, Sasha. No, of course not. We love you. The siblings watched from the shadows. Their fun joke had turned into a nightmare, and for the first time, they felt the weight of Sasha's tears. Adopted? Sasha, you are my heart. You are mine. Who told you such a lie? So, we have a decision to make. Together, as a family. I have plans for today. We are going to the park. Find me the strongest branches you can find. Go!
I got the biggest one. And mine is the sturdiest.
Well done, both of you.
No, I do.
See? Even a beautiful stick is weak when it stands alone.
Think you can break it, Leo?
I did it, Papa. I'm strong.
Yes, you are. Great job. See this bundle? Try to break it.
Okay, I'll try.
Ugh, it's too strong.
Let me try. Wow, I can't either.
See?
Together, you are unbreakable.
Even I, your papa, cannot break you when you are tied together. See? Alone you are weak, but together you are strong. Sasha, this is for you.
Thank you, Papa. Can we help? Let's hold it together.
Yes, together we are strong. Sasha wasn't the smallest anymore. She was part of the bundle.
Ready for an adventure, Sasha?
Yes, pull back, Sasha.
Up you go.
Whee!
They became a bundle forever. Unbreakable. Happy. Home.